Hola amigos! Are you ready to go on an adventure with me, your friend Amiga? Let's take a look inside the bag. Whoa! What's this? A dinosaur? We don't have any living dinosaurs today. Oh wait! I have a friend that owns a time machine. Let's go pay him a visit. It looks like we made it to Juan's workshop. Let's go inside and find him. Oh, hey Juan, I was looking for you.
Hi, amiga. I was just getting my time machine ready to go visit the dinosaurs.
What a coincidence. I was about to ask if I could borrow your time machine so I could visit the dinosaurs.
No way. Great friends think alike. How about you drive?
All right, let's go. Here we go, everyone. Time machine, take us back to when dinosaurs roamed the earth. Beep, bop, boop, boop, beep, boop, bop. Let's count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go back to where dinosaurs are. Woo! We made it. Oh no, Juan, look over there. A massive volcano is about to erupt.
That's not good, amiga. The eruption could harm the dinosaurs.
We have to warn the dinosaurs and help them get to safety. Oh, a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Oh no, he's coming this way. I have to run. What? Oh, you need help escaping the volcano? Come, jump into my backpack. You can go in the time machine with us. Whoa, I got one Tyrannosaurus Rex. Let's go show Juan. Juan, I found one Tyrannosaurus Rex.
That's the numero uno.
Yes, the number 1. Let's go find more dinosaurs. Amigos, I need your help to save the dinosaurs. Can you help me on this special mission? Use your oídos, your ears, and listen carefully to follow my instructions. When I say down, abajo, you go down. When I say up, arriba, you go up. When I say left, la izquierda, you go to the left. When I say right, derecha, you move to the right. Do you think you can help me out today? All right, let's give it a try. Abajo, arriba, a la derecha, a la izquierda. Good job. Let's go save the dinosaurs. All right, amigos, let's go find the rest of the dinosaurs. Whoa, do you feel the ground shaking? I hear really loud stomps. Look, it's a Bronchiosaurus, and there's 2 of them. 1, 2. We have to save them. Move to the right, amigos, a la derecha. Come, Bronchiosaurus, jump in my bag. Whoa, 1, 2, uno, dos. We have 2 of them. Come on, we have to find the rest. I found 2 Brachiosaurus.
That's a numero dos.
Yes, the number 2.
That's awesome.
Let's go find more dinosaurs. Wow, look right over there, amigos. There are 3 Triceratops under that tree. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. And in Spanish, uno, dos, tres. Oh no, they're coming. Let's move to the left, a la izquierda. Whoa, let's open up this bag so they can run right in. Get in, Triceratops. We got them. Come on, there's so many more we have to find. Oh man, we got 3 Triceratops.
And numero tres. And they have 3 horns.
Yes, they have 3 horns.
Let's go find more.
Amigos, there are 4 Velociraptors. 4. Come on. Abajo. Arriba. A la derecha. A la izquierda. Abajo. Whoa. We gotta get them in the bag. Wow, these things are fast. There are 4. That's 4. 1. Wow, abajo. 1, 2, 3. One more. 4. We got them. Whoa, those were tough to catch. All right, let's go find the other dinosaurs. Come on. Whoa, Juan, these were pretty tough. We got 4 velociraptors.
El número 4.
Yeah, 4. Come on, let's go save some more dinosaurs.
Let's go.
Amigo, if you look right here, there's a group of baby Spinosaurus. We have to get them. Come on, little babies. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 baby Spinosaurus. Let's get them in the bag. Let's go abajo since they're so little to make it easier for them to jump in. Abajo. Come on, baby Spinosaurus, jump right in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, come on, last one. 5. Arriba. We got all 5 baby Spinosaurus in the bag. They're so cute. Come on, let's go get the other dinosaurs. Okay, Juan, I got 5 Spinosaurus.
El número 5.
Yeah. Come on, let's go save the rest of the dinosaurs. There's a herd of Stegosaurus coming our way. Hurry, they're coming. Ah, I gotta go fast. I gotta throw my binoculars in my bag and open it up so they can run right inside. Let's count them as they run in the backpack. 1, 2. A la derecha. 3, 4, 5, 6. We got all of them. Good job. High five. Juan, we got 6 Stegosaurus.
6.
6.
That's awesome.
Come on. We have to continue going. The volcano's gonna erupt. Friends, we have to move quickly. This volcano is going to erupt. Do you hear it rumbling? Whoa, little Ankylosaurus. There's so many. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's try that in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's open up the bag and see if they'll jump right in. Come on, little dinosaurs. I'm gonna save you from the volcano. Jump right in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got them all. Come, there's so many more we need to save. All right, Juan, we got 7 Ankylosaurus.
El número 7.
Yes, we have so many more to save. Come on, so many more dinosaurs. Come on. Amigos, I found a herd of Pachycephalosauruses. Look, I'm running with them. Hey guys, I'm here to save you from the volcano. Come, jump in my bag. Come on, friends, let's open up our bag. See if they'll jump in. This herd is running so fast, I can barely catch up. Get in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, we got all of those dinosaurs inside the bag. They were so fast. Let's count that in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dinosaurs inside this bag. This bag is getting heavy. Come on, we have a few more. Let's go. Juan, I got 8 Pachycephalosaurus.
Wow, el número 8.
Yes, 8. That is the longest name in history. Come on, we have to save the rest of these dinosaurs. Amigos, I think we're almost done. I see a couple more dinosaurs we need to get. Oh, right there. There's some Parasaurolophus. We need to get those. They're right by that water. Come on, let's go get them. Let's see if I can call all 9 of them over. I don't know if that's their language, but it's working. Come on, we gotta put them in the backpack. All right, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got all 9 of them. Good job, amigos. 1, time is running out. I got 9 Parasaurolophus.
Yes, el número 9.
9, Juan, sí. Come on, time is running out. Let's go get the last of these dinosaurs. Man, this backpack is getting pretty heavy. Wow, well, looks like we have one more type of dinosaur to get, and it's the pterodactyl. They're flying all over us. How many do we see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa, there are 10 pterodactyls flying above us. Let's count them in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is so many. How are we gonna capture them all? Remember those directions I gave you earlier? Abajo, down, arriba, up, a la izquierda, to the left, a la derecha, to the right. Listen carefully, because we really got to get all 10 of these pterodactyls before the volcano erupts. Listen carefully. Whoa, abajo. Whoa, arriba. Good job, you're doing great. A la izquierda. Wow. A la derecha. Whoa. Abajo. Arriba. Good job, friends. It looks like we got half of these pterodactyls in. We're gonna need a little bit more work. All right. A la izquierda. Wow. A la derecha. Whoa. Abajo. Arriba. Whoa. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3 more. All right, come on, we're almost done. Abajo, arriba, a la derecha, a la izquierda. We got all 10 of the pterodactyls. Let's go back to the vehicle with our friend Juan. All right, we saved all the dinosaurs. I think we can go back now. Let's do a countdown. Can you help us count to 10 in Spanish? Are you ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You did it! We saved the dinosaurs. Let's go back home. Juan, thank you so much for joining me on this adventure. And thank you for helping me save the dinosaurs.
That's so much fun, amiga. Thank you.
And thank you for letting me use your time machine.
Oh, anytime.
That was so much fun.
It really was.
Wow, that was such a wild adventure. Thank you so much for helping me save all those dinosaurs. We had such a good time. Until next time on Adventures with Amiga.